Okay, so today I'm going to show you in this video how to create a project dashboard page. So I'm at the Walmart project management main page here, and we've got a new project or something, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how that's done. So I'm working on one right now we can use for a real life example. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my page in Internet Explorer. It's just much easier to work with SharePoint on Internet Explorer. I'm going to go to View All Site Content, and I'm going to add an app. I'm going to add a new document library for the project. So in this one, I'm going to call it Jobro. Whoops. Jobro Improvements. So I've added the document library. Now I want to actually add a page. So I'm going to scroll down to Site Pages, and I'm going to add a new site page, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to call it Jobro. I think naming conventions should always be as consistent as possible. So we're going to create that page, and I'm going to lay it out with 2 columns with a header and footer. I like that version, and for consistency purposes we'll use that. So I'm going to put the title here, and in this space here is where you would enter the overall objective or high-level overview, something like that. Then here we've got our project documents. You could easily put a link to Smartsheet here if you wanted to do that. Just put a table in here. Doing that, so it outlines it. And also under project documents, I'm sorry. So let's say you had a Smartsheet link, you could easily do insert link and link it to either another SharePoint site or the extranet site or something like that. You could do that here, but we don't have anything built yet. So I'm just going to say if available as a placeholder. And I'm also going to put in that document library that we just created. So I'm going to add a part up here. It says insert. I'm going to add a part. And I'm going to look for that document library. Remember, we called it Jobro Improvements Query Time. And once I have that highlighted, I'm going to add it. And it'll bring up that document library for easy access there. And then down here, I just like to put in some links to frequently used things. So I'm again going to add an app part. I've already made links. We call them promoted links in SharePoint. They usually have a pretty picture or something to grab your attention. So these are called project management promoted links. I'm going to add those. And now we have our page. The next thing I'm going to do is actually add this page onto the content roll-up in the very beginning, the parent project management site. So I'm going to save this. And I'm going to go out to the home page. And I'm going to go up top here to page. And I'm going to hit edit page. And when I hit edit page, this is going to let me update these summary links. So I'm going to add a new link. And we're calling this Jobro. Oops, I think I just copied it actually. And I'm going to grab the link for that site page. So copy link, put it in here. Now this is an active project, so that's good. So it added it down here. I like to do active projects in alphabetical order, so I'm just going to hit this reorder button here and find that and move it up. And I hit stop editing to save it. And there it is. Oh, it looks like we already have one kind of built. That's okay. At least you get the point. So that is how you make a resource center for your project. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.